I know this thing's designed with a prison in mind, but we could actually use it in a junior high school since basically that's the same thing. Hi, this is Maurice with C-Tech Lighting, and today I'm going to present to you the Failsafe FW series surface ceiling and wall mounted vandal resistant luminaire. This product can be used anywhere where vandalism is a concern, and it comes standard with a lifetime abuse warranty. This product will remain secure to the building with its sleek slope-sided design. It's resistant to direct blows. Oh no! This design complies with most anti-ligature requirements for use in behavioral health facilities. The product's available in a 12-inch by 12-inch, which we have here, also 9-inch by 9-inch, and 6-inch by 12-inch in both vertical and horizontal mounts. Standard color temperatures are 3000, 35, 4000, and 5000 Kelvin, greater than 80 CRI. Most units have efficiencies approaching 94 lumens per watt, and it comes standard 0 to 10 volt dimming to 10%. The product utilizes Cooper's patented Wavestream technology, which gives you soft, even illumination across the face. For applications where you need it, it's also available with an asymmetric distribution pattern. This IP65 beauty is available in 4 different colors: bronze, white, black, and dark platinum. Optional features include a surface-mounted back box, which can be used to house occupancy sensors, dusted-on photocells, and emergency battery packs if required. We're keeping it short and sweet today, so I hope you found this video informative on this great Cooper Failsafe product and can find an application on your next project.
Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing.